Kwitu wakususia.
Kabla inazwa ebuemu.
Na wambia tuko manewa. Yerelete wambo wenda ombea.
Ibabe thina munene wa omenda wei.
Thina?
Nembigizie miaka ya utwana.
Wewe anongonge.
Na ingwatie kamundu. Kwanza ika muzungu. Kana go kananda.
Wakwata muzungu?
Ina thina la ibaji.
Haki yao. You na white.
Na white.
Brown.
White. Ila pure white. Thina la ibana kwa iweze ndia azoma na bigie tu.
Kinzi
ne to na azoma mitheneli. You nenda ukakonia simu tau enye. Ukaelezea. Ukene nikendete. Tamukate white kizia.
Yene taku.
Wine no kizungu. Yati kakomana karatu sana. Iba kwa mkio kwa mulumu.
Nguko na uyozi.
Iwe? Endo kakoni. Na ikia nikendete muno tamukate white kizia.
Kale duka uwe. Kaina thina kaka kunia simu na nundu ndio katabi ya kizungu.
Namba ilezi.
Kaka ke Venezuela.
Nikana ku Canada.
Venezuela.
Kakunia. Kwanza inikendete muno.
Nilikete.
Ninikendete muno. Ego kenda akatambo kete.
Hello there.
Kana kakukenda.
Yes. Kwita kususia. Like
nikendete.
Yes, of course. Now, for sure, I love you. And I may want even to you to have another number apart from this. Never call me with this number. Let me tell you some digits which you will use to call me later. Yes, my number 07 57 29 46 32.
Yes.
And I love you so much, Venezuela. And no one can ever kungongea. Or the one who is talking and apart from me, it's Chokosh. Stupid people, person. Yes. I feel you in art. In fact, you are like blossoms of savannah. Yes, you are like bread for poorly. Mukate wa itikise in quotes. You are. I saw you. You are beautifully, medically, kitimbically, etina no great. Yes, and you're so fine. And your limbs in quotes ilomo. Your limbs mostly cater in quotes. It is smooth like liver for pig. Yes. And your tongue is soft like you. Yes. You stop. You beat me phone with that another number. We relationship. Yes. Even we will bear children. You see, you I'm black, you white. It will be like White House. Black cotton soil and white tent. Which is extended to capillary of an in quotes.
wenge waine wa tabia na gelango utabatia tijo umotabia.
Yes, I love you. I love you baby.
Etazimwa kwa we.
I love you.
Tuigia wa uko na azimo ete.
I love you baby.
Etazimwa kwa we.
I love you baby.